Over on the Golf Channel, we have just tested the brand new Titleist TSi1 in the hands of the future Mrs. Robinson.
No, the TSi2, that one was.
That was the TSi1, darling, that we've just tested. That's the TSi2 in your hands, which leads us into this video, which we're going to test them against. Welcome to the Robinsons off course.
Off course with the Robinsons.
That's what it, no, it's Robinsons, I think. Anyway, right, go on, I'm going to let you start. This is TS2, or TSi2, should I say. And can we just say, how good is that golf swing looking as well?
Look at my spin.
That's really, really impressive.
So guys, welcome back to the channel. You've probably just watched James Robinson Golf Channel.
Hopefully.
Hopefully.
Nice top, that.
And, oh yeah.
All right, that.
Repping.
Yeah.
And seen me try the TSi2.
TSi1.
TSi1.
That one.
Keep forgetting. I wish I knew the difference.
How did you find it?
Well, I kept topping it.
You kept skying it actually, but the roof is, to be honest, if you're looking for a driver that you can roof it, then we're gonna stop that now. I might title it "Ruined It" or something, although you haven't, so I can't really. That would be clickbait.
I thought I had though.
So guys, welcome to the channel. We don't like to do much golf on this channel, do we? Try and keep it off course, but of course we're still in lockdown, so we're
not long to go though.
Not long to go. Can I just say, Laura's done a couple of lessons. If you don't follow my golf channel and you're interested in Laura's golf progress, Laura's had a golf lesson today with an 8-iron as well, and absolutely smashed it.
It's quite good with it today.
I'm surprised you didn't tell me off swearing then. I'm going to have to leave that out. But anyway, so today we're going to test the TSi2 versus TSi1. People who are interested in golf, I'm not sure if the TSi1 is for you. I think it's probably a bit too lightweight.
See, I think this feels...
Well, you've smashed that one first time, haven't you? We're going to hit half a dozen with each, and I'm just going to ask you for your opinions as a beginner, and we're obviously going to look at the numbers. Really cool, nice, relaxed video. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. We need to get to 10,000 so that Laura can release...
Bring out some merchandise.
I'm not entirely for
Also,
this.
guys, it's our anniversary today, and James hasn't got me anything, so any bit of
How do you know I haven't got you anything?
Because it's... nothing's popped out or anything. And if you were organised and prepared, something would have been...
Nothing's popped out or anything. No one will say that on the anniversary, do they? Right, come on.
You might have made my breakfast or something.
Them pancakes were lovely.
Yeah, I made them.
Not bad, good effort.
Not too bad. My hand's starting to hurt.
Okay, we'll not eat too many more then.
Yeah, I don't want
to. What film's that off? My fingers hurt.
I've no idea.
Oh yeah, well now your back's going to hurt because you just got 2 weeks on landscaping duty. Grandma!
Happy Gilmore.
Yeah. You alright with that? Taking you a while to get that on, to be fair.
I just feel a little bit.
My fingers hurt. You just don't get this on the other channel, do you?
No.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to line up the line so it's equal.
Right.
Do you know?
So we're going to hit half a dozen, which isn't really enough for a scientific test, but that doesn't really matter. I'm going to take out the worst ones. See, these are ones that really interest me. Like, that's so straight, it's unbelievable. For me, that's a good one to test against. If you hit that shot with TSi1, I'd love to see the difference. Would it go a little bit further? I mean, your 8-irons were going probably only 30 yards less than that, weren't they?
113, my highest, with an 8-iron. Oh.
Use the weight of the ball to put the tee peg in the ground. There's a top tip for you. Shut up.
There was no Tesla on the drive this morning.
No Tesla. Wow, were you expecting one for an anniversary present?
No,
We're not even married.
I'm winding you up. Just some flowers wouldn't have.
You'd kill me if I got you a Tesla anyway.
Yeah, no.
Wow. That's the best drive you've hit so far. And people who have come from the other video, I'm going to put this out there, you're hitting this way more consistently. I'm going to show you on the screen actually. So
Do you know why? Because I haven't got the pressure of this going to your dad.
Really?
Yeah. And you made me feel, I felt like, oh my God, I can't ruin it because he's going to hate me if I do.
But we'll buy my dad another one anyway, it doesn't matter.
Well, how many more? 2?
Yeah. I've put these at the same loft, by the way, so these are 10 degree.
No.
Practice swing?
That's what you say to your mum, James.
Yeah, I know. When she misses it like you just have.
I know.
Oh, you've ruined the dispersion now, but it's a great shot, 140 yards.
Where's my thing gone?
T-peg landed on there. Can you believe that? Quite incredible. What's your mic looking like?
What's your mic looking like? Is that a chattel blind?
No. It could be though.
I know.
Walk into a bar. What's your mic looking like, love? Where is it?
Have you brought your muff? Your muffler?
Muffler.
Whatever you call them.
Right, 2 more. 1 more with
One
this.
more. Do the maths. No.
What was that?
Can we do another?
Laura,
I've ruined
do
it.
another. Honestly.
I've ruined the numbers.
So you weren't concentrating then?
I've ruined the numbers.
I've turned from your coach now to just actually your fiance. That was rubbish.
That's the first time you've ever said fiance.
Is it?
Yeah.
I don't like saying it because I can't spell it.
Really?
I'm the same with onomatopoeia. You just stay well away from it.
Can you spell Beyonce?
Yeah.
Right.
It's not the same though, is
No, I
it?
know.
Weirdo.
But if you'd put that on like an Instagram, I'd have wet myself. Oh dear.
Right, not
not
bad. We've got a good
horrendous.
array of shots now. So now I want you to go into the TSi1, which you've been using.
Swap you.
Thanks. Oh, any
Come
chance
on,
to put it in my
James.
hand? So now a TSi1, which we're using in the other video. And straight away, how does it feel like different? Does it feel like just a totally different club, or does it look the same? Does it feel the same?
Feels a little bit like lighter.
Yeah?
Is this shaft wider?
Wider?
Yeah.
No.
Like it looks wider at the top.
No, it shouldn't be. The grip's thinner, so you probably feel the shaft a bit more, if that's what you mean. And the head's a bit more elongated, so the centre of gravity is a little bit further back, which should make it more forgiving.
No.
Not again.
But look at how nice it looks.
What is it with you and that club?
Nah.
But it's got to be so, like, there's got to be, because you kept doing it in the other one, didn't you? So it's got to be something to do with the weight of it that. And you know what? In fairness, I can see the sky mark from here. At least the sky mark was in the middle.
Right on the TSi.
Yeah,
thing.
right on the TSI thing. So that's.
Sorry.
Sorry, it comes off. We've proved it in the last video.
Oh, at the end, I'm going to count how many out of the 12 are good.
Very good. See, that's the one that I want to be able to compare against, and I think it is quite similar. But a lot of it comes down to, I'm talking a bit too scientifically now for the off-course channel, but I think a lot of it does come down to just quite how consistent you are. Does getting fitted for a driver help you if you're not...
Confident.
Well, not confident, but not consistent.
Oh.
Wow, that's really good. So you see there, spinning at 2.5, ball speed 100, that's good, really good. Good numbers. Dispersion's not amazing, but... Nice. Do you think there's something in this being easier to hit, or do you think it's just... No? No? For you, anyway?
Yeah.
Can you see why maybe...
I wish I could give you a better answer, but I do not feel any different. Like,
No, that's fine.
For me, it's more like how the pressure of hitting something. Do you know what I mean? Like when you're reviewing the club. That's
But the amazing thing is, like this one that we've been hitting isn't even ours, so if you ruin this one, we'd have to pay for it. So the pressure should have been on that one, really.
It was.
But you hit it really well.
But what I'm saying, when you're doing a club review,
Yeah.
and you know it's that new club supposed to go further, do you feel pressure to prove that point?
No, not at all. I feel like you just got to give your honest opinion and your honest appraisal on it, and what happens, happens. Great swing again. Now, I think we're going to be quite interested about the forgiveness levels and the dispersion, because I was going into this, especially after your first shot with TSi2, I was thinking this is going to be a turn up for the books. TSi2 is going to be way better. Now, we're going to hit 2 more shots to make it fair, and if you hit 2 half-decent shots, I think we're going to be TSi1 all day. So, unfortunately, Chris, you can't
I think I just can't
have it.
take the name seriously after KSI. It just reminds me of, like, as soon as you say it.
His laugh.
Yeah. Nope. I actually think I bottomed that one.
Well, you hit that one hard and left. But anyway, so I think there's a lot to be said, you know, for this, where we started the day. Because you hit that.
It's confused me.
Not so much confused you, because golf isn't just about hitting an iron, then an iron, then an iron. You can play golf that way, but I wouldn't want to teach you that way. I'd want you to learn.
No, but I think for a beginner, it's hard to chop and change.
Yeah, absolutely. But then a beginner, I think you've got a little bit of a jaded experience of what golf is. Golf isn't going into a simulator and smashing some drivers, then some 8-irons. Golf's going out into a field and hitting a ball with different length clubs with different lofts on them. So it's all about, if you are getting into golf now, it's about learning to change your swing for the different clubs and things like that. Right, we're going to have a look at the different clubs, and then I'm going to let you have a warm down with them. Well, that, should I say. But don't do it yet, because you'll change the data.
I'm going to put my jumper on, I'm cold.
Is it a James Robinson jumper?
Nope.
You can't then, you're not allowed.
I am.
I bet people think I've made you wear that as well. Can you just say...
No, I put it on myself. I dress myself every morning, everyone.
Right, so TSi1.
Strangely, my fashion-forward fiancé does not pick out clothes for me.
TSi1. You know when I asked for 2 half-decent ones at the end, they didn't materialise. But a couple of good shots there. One really high one, which I'm assuming the roof mark will come off. And then the TSi2, you can see already a lot lower. So I'm explaining this to you as you... So that's TSi2. You see how low they all are, yeah? TSi1.
Oh.
So dispersion, I mean, not great with all of them, but that's going to be the case because you're so new to it.
Thank you.
But there's such a difference in the trajectory and the peak height, which is exactly what Titleist claimed TSi1 does. Now, if we look at purely averages, TSi2 107, TSi1 94. I'm assuming that in there's going to be a few real bad ones. So this is TSi2 for Laura.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah, we kind of peaked early, didn't we? The best one was a 148 and a 133 carry. That was club head speed 68, ball speed 97.1. You actually got higher ball speed on a couple of other ones, but the spin rate was just too high. See, that one was spinning at 1500, that first one. It was a knuckleball. TSi1, the furthest one, was a 145, and that was a 68 club head speed and 107 ball speed, spinning at 2.5. So that would almost say to me that optimised, if you can hit better shots a little bit more often, TSi1 probably does work as it says it does. It's just being that consistent. Very difficult to gauge from such a small array of shots, but with Laura being new to it, my fingers hurt.
Yeah.
So I didn't want to get hit too many shots. But guys, thanks so much for watching. Smash that subscribe button if you haven't already. This is our channel, so you can lead us out.
Thanks for watching. Oh, what I want to know in the comments is what everybody's going to do as soon as we come out of lockdown. What's the first thing you're going to do?
Okay. And apart from that...
Because we might film the first thing we do when we come out of lockdown.
What, walk the dog again?
Well, he has to be walked every day.
Yeah, he does, yeah.
You know.
Do you want to hit one of them to finish?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, why not?
How do you feel about playing in a jumper?
In a jumper?
You know, you've just put a jumper on.
What's the difference?
You might feel a bit different. Practice swing?
Please.
You look good. Come on.
God. See what I mean? Like you go from one thing to another and you just can't do it.
Been a long day on it.
It's like 11 o'clock.